Good morning, guys. Today I welcome you all to the full stack web development lab session. This is the part 2 of the chapter DHTML. Today, firstly, we are going to learn about the browsers. As we have seen that some of the browsers don't support the JavaScript, but some of them they do. As far as I am concerned, that Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox are well worthy of it. They support JavaScript. But what if you want to know if the browser may support your JavaScript or the web designing languages you practice? So we will start with the notepad where we will write HTML and then head. After that we will start a script tag and then language equals to JavaScript, and then we will write a where app equals to navigator dot user agent, and then alert message alert app, and then script tag closed, and then head tag closed, and then HTML tag closed. Just first save this file with the name of dhtml.html, and you can see there is a file. And what it says, this page says a dialog box has been opened, in which it says, this page says Mozilla 5.0, Windows NT 10.0, Windows 64 into 64, Apple WebKit 537.36, KHTML like Gecko, Chrome 90.0.4430.212 Safari. So there are three browsers I can see. That are Mozilla, Chrome and Safari. So your JavaScript will run in these browsers. That is why we have used navigator.userAgent. And let's move on to the next part, in which we will manipulate the web browser, or we will open the new tabs. Also we will open also we will resize the similar tag we are using. So we will use a function that is called resize me, and then inside it what we will do is we will write window.resize 2 with a capital T, and then 700 and 800. This would be the dimension of the particular window you are using. And then another function would be opening the new tag, so it will be called as function open new, and then inside it we will write window.open, and in the double inverted commas we will write function.html, then comma demo, then comma, in the double inverted commas we will write menu bar, comma status bar, comma the dimensions of this new window 500 and 600, and then curly braces closed. So how will this happen? We have to make two new buttons. So we will write a body section. Inside it we will have a paragraph tag, and then we will create a new button and attribute on click equals to resize me for the first function, and inside it I will write the name of the button, resize the window, then paragraph tag close, then break tag, then p tag again, another button, its attribute on click equals to open new. Just remember that you have to use terminator also, and it says open the new tab, then paragraph tag close, then break tag. Now body tag closed. After this we will save, but something is wrong here. So we not have closed the button tag, so that's what I did here. So some of you will get the resize of this window, but some of you will not. So this was the program. Now we will do another program